a big constituency.
Yeah, the bigger, but we have got few. My concern is when the ones coming to participate are the ones, you see. It means we are going to have a problem. They need to be addressed lest we start having issues, because these are the people that we're going to sit down with and we sign some agreements with somebody who has no ability to understand a very simple and straightforward sermon. The thrust and the focus, the pivot of the message, that particular section, was never on us not having prophets. The subject is on the accuracy. 100% precision. Pinpoint accuracy. A dimension said to be in existence by quite a number of prophets nowadays. And witch doctors, whilst we are on that note, we need to understand also why are they invited together. Because there are some witch doctors who are even claiming that these prophets are prophets because of us. It means they are more powerful than the prophets. Hence, an opportunity needed to be opened to all of them. The issue was no prophet sees everything. Now that I'm saying this in English, somebody is hearing it for the first time, and to them, we are changing the story. I said it in Shona. So it was a build-up, everything that I was saying. I'm saying there is not even one prophet who sees everything. And I'll give you reasons why we needed to have this exercise. After the exercise on Sunday, then we get into the teaching so that we learn from what is going to transpire. If you know you are a witch doctor, you are a true prophet, and what you do is to see everything, this is your opportunity. What I'm saying here is in trying to defend, there are so many prophets and so many other men of God who are being castigated by their members. Yet some of them have never said they see everything. There's no need for people to be fighting their men of God over a very simple announcement that has been given, not by the president of churches. I'm simply another man of God. We have got our own flock. But we're trying to drive a point home where if we are to tell you, because this is going to help you, people are believing everything that we are telling them because we are prophets. They believe everything. People are believing everything that they're being told by witch doctors. So if we are not 100% accurate, we don't deserve 100% trust of the people. It has to be given to the one who is the most accurate. And we know who that is. We have to get to that place where we are invited back to humility. Now, if I say that no prophet, no witch doctor can see everything, some of you, because you are ignorant, you might start to wonder, but we have never said that. It's because you don't understand what we're dealing with. I'm doing this because this is going to also help the next generation of prophets who are already in the prophetic. They will never realize they are there already because of simple things that they miss. God is showing them. First, God is showing some prophets things. But to them, those things are minor. They don't carry weight. God is showing you a little growth on the throat of a member or just even flu. even a migraine headache, and you feel ashamed to declare that as prophecy. Why? Because you're looking forward to seeing phone numbers and addresses. Why? Because of the way that we have portrayed the prophetic to be. And then you wait for years, hoping that you would get to that dimension. And who knows, some of these youngsters that are coming up are greater than us. They are better than us. What they are seeing is actually something so helpful. But they've developed so much fear, they've lost a proper understanding of the field because of how it has been handled. We have made it so difficult, made it so complicated for an average person to be raised tomorrow by God into the same field. Because of certain exaggerations that are non-existent in as far as the prophetic syllabus is concerned. You will never see everything. If you're going to wait until you see everything, you will never see anything. That needs to be corrected. So if you are in that category, you are coming. And the exercise is very simple. There is no way that you can be at that level where you see everything. And then you come and then... Remember what I said on Sunday? I said some are going to blame it on me. Probably has got some forces is blocking me from seeing. And I said some are going to blame the building.
Yes.
It's there on the message.
Yes, it's there.
Yeah. And the reason why we say some do not have that understanding is because you have heard some actually saying that, but can he do the same? Does he have that ability to also see? And when somebody's asking such a question, it means he never listened to the message.
No, not at all.
It was so clear. I said, I can't.